Good morning, bastards! Hey, Tinky Winky, Lala, Po, other bastard. What are you doing? Have a good day, yeah?
Dun 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 Hijinx, Basssk8ard.
Try checking out that curved ledge that goes all the way there. There's like a really old video of I think it's Mills riding that whole ledge. It's pretty chunky, so I'm gonna change the plan. I'm gonna try to skate this quick kind. Let's go. That is fast. That was not as fun as I expected. But it's pretty fast if you can all leave it on, and you could huck yourself on this. This is a pretty short gap. It's just a little high, but I have no car wash, so I'm not doing that stuff. I'm too old. It's weird, but this looks super skatable, like fun. And it's like a little slope, so it's like a ledge, kinda. Whew. I'll consider it. Hell yeah. I need to wax this, but it's a cool like drop grind ledge over here, curb. Pretty cool. McDonald's.
You call me, you give me this, right? On the outside. You give me this. Why do you have to give me this? You said fuck you? Who you have to call? You motherfucking bitch. You fucking looking all you lucky to fucking ass. Fuck you, get lost. Go back to your fucking your home, your home. This one.
Alright. So this is the first week of being jobless. I've had 2 interviews. They went pretty well, just waiting for a call, but I'm really enjoying having time to just skateboard through the mornings, through the lunchtime and afternoons. So it's pretty cool. Here's in the phone dump. Let's go. First session with the rallies on these vans. Skate cocktail. nose grind. Haven't done that in a long time. Last part was dry. Crazy. Bolts. I want to ollie over that car. It's a Mercedes. My son's Mercedes. I want to ollie it sideways, and then I want to ollie it lengthwise. Let's go. Show Tyshawn that I can ollie over car too. Did it!